Yo, what's up, world? I'm just passing the Mercury in Sanur right now. The situation looks how it looks like. Hotels are open, but the beach access is closed. In general, it's very quiet in Sanur and everywhere in Bali right now. Here we go. Here is the one beach. Unfortunately, as you see, there is like a kind of barricade or something like this, as you cannot enter to the beach, and including the Genius Cafe and the restaurants over there. But if you wanna go to the Mercure Hotel, sorry, if you wanna go to the Mercure Hotel or you wanna go to the Prama Sanur Hotel, hotel obviously is open and you can enjoy the restaurant on the beach over there. However, the beach itself, it's closed for the public access. Here is the Gardenia, also open but only takeaway or delivery, so the waiters are just waiting, and meanwhile that's how it looks. The street, some massage shops and some shopping stores are open, like here this massage shop. People try to sell some accessories like here, but definitely it's not so many customers around. And here is the backstage of the Prama Hotel in Sanur and Sudamala Hotel on the left. And now going into this small street where so many hotel and the restaurants. Even if some restaurants are open, they are only open for takeaways, deliveries. This is the Prama Sanur entrance, and yeah, that's how it looks. Peaceful life in Sanur right now. The video was recorded about 4 o'clock, 3:30, 4 o'clock. So supposed to be some people around. Here is the big warung with a lot of maskers and stuff like this. The warungs, obviously the shopping strolls are open because the small shops can be open. Only the shopping malls like a Beach Walk and any other malls in Bali are closed, and the businesses who was inside, they are just basically simply closed. But the hotels are putri. Everything is open actually. Just the problem is with the restaurants, tourist objects, including beaches and stuff like this. So the restaurant here, even if they are open, they are only for takeaway. This is exactly how it was look like about 1 year ago in June, July 2020. It was exactly the same feeling like how is it now. Here's Pepito, popular actually, and Indian restaurant. And as you see now, the shopping strolls, some small shops are open, others are closed. They are just looking for a little bit of luck, as somebody will come and buy some gear over there, hopefully, luckily. But in general, it's not so many customers. The cars from Java Islands, mostly from Jakarta, they are driving around. There are some people from this island still here in Bali, but maybe most of them, they are business owners or stuff like this. Obviously many of them, they have a business in Bali also. And here is already Jalan Tamblingan, the famous roundabout, and the Blue Corner house. Now is different name of the restaurant. This is sushi bar, and it's actually quite busy, quite many cars park around, as you can see over here. It's kinda busy, I could say, because the Massimo restaurant and the Gelato Massimo is open. Obviously you're doing this takeaway, you not eat the ice cream on the plate, you just get takeaway like always actually. So not much has changed in this area, but just after Massimo is already much more quiet. But still some people driving around, and the cars are parked. So it's like last year exactly in June, July, but slightly more busier because this is a little bit different limitation. Basically, you can go outside, walk outside, go to restaurant to buy food or to the shop without any problem, without any limitations. But the biggest limitation is about the tourist attractions and beaches. You cannot go to the beach, enjoy the fresh air on the beach, and this is the most saddest thing. And here is the Sol on the Ball. Unfortunately, Sol on the Ball for some reason is closed. Maybe it's not profitable for takeaway. And here are some taxi drivers just next to the Hyatt Regency in Sanur. And on the left, if you can see little bit, is the big construction right now. Like I make a vlog a few weeks ago about this area, and some people comment below of the different ideas what's gonna be. And I saw also some post from someone on Facebook who asked people in Hyatt Regency what's going on, because this land on the left this park belongs to the Hyatt Regency Hotel, and obviously it's gonna be something like a park, like a city park, Sanur Park, but with some warungs or some small restaurants or some small shops. So some sort of little bit something similar to Bali collection in Nusa Dua, but smaller. And here we go, we're gonna see how it looks like little bit. As you see, they built the parking inside the entrance. There will be also the parking inside of this, so people don't need to park only on the street but also inside. And here we go, and over, as you see, the construction is already quite advanced. It's already a lot of area is paved already, and so we will see how it's gonna look like. This is the Andas Hotel. Some taxi drivers still waiting for the customers. So basically we have to wait few more weeks or few months if nothing gonna change, if they're not gonna stop suddenly the construction, and we will see what's gonna be in this part of Sanur. Previous years that was only the forest and was a little bit scary for some people who work. I know I read a lot of comments about that, but now it's gonna be something nice for sure. And this is another part of Sanur, Tamblingan Road. Basically I could say as most of the restaurants on this street is as usual, is just simply open. However, you cannot dine in, so it's only for take away. Obviously everyone who had business on this street or any other city streets inside the cities, I mean, look at this yellow Mercedes, by the way. And they are kinda okay. They can still, if they can handle, they can keep running the restaurants for takeaway. But the most hardest people are, and including the business owners who have a business on the beach. Even somebody have a business on the beach like a restaurant, and people who work there as the small warungs or selling something, they are the most less fortunate. So they really struggle a lot, because they are just simply cannot be on the beach. And even the restaurant somehow will manage to open takeaway on the beach, but the people cannot go to the beach. So it's really complicated, and just simply most of the businesses on the beach are closed, 95%. And here is the ex-Hardee's, now it's Arta Sedana Market on the left. As you see, also very quiet nowadays, Nova months, like almost nobody is going to the shop, very little. I'm not sure why, but it's kind of quiet there. And yeah, but there's some shops here like Leda shops, bags and stuff like this, they are open. Grab driver waiting on the street for the order. If some of you will order something, he will deliver to you probably. Basically in the Grab, Gojek drivers, they are kinda more successful because they are busy right now, so at least they are happy, at least somebody is happy. But in general, that's how it looks like. Even the businesses on the streets are open. In this part of Sanur is not so really busy actually, as you could imagine. There's the bread basket and another Pepito. By the way, I just wanted to mention, as I'm doing this vlog in the style like a gamers, like have you ever watched the gaming channel, YouTube channel, or any your kids or grandchildren probably they used to watch? So the main background is the street of Sanur, and I just doing the translations from home so I can peacefully, freely talk, and you can hear me properly, much better, I guess. So I hope so. Comment below if you like this concept of the video. I'm driving quite slow, something between 15 and 20 km per hour, trying to don't drive faster, and that's how it looks like. This part of Sanur, Gria Santrian on the right, the hotels, these restaurants, shops, little bit. This part of Sanur somehow is little bit less fortunate. There's the Starbucks is open, of course, for takeaway. Actually, since March 2020, Starbucks is only for takeaway. Even you sit in, they will serve you everything in the paper. They're not gonna give you anything in the mug or in the plate or something. So, but now obviously you can only take away. That's how it look like. And mango taro on the right, on the left. Sorry. And some people still trying to running on the street. Obviously on the street they are still okay to run, but they cannot run on the beach or driving bicycle like me. At the morning I usually drive my bicycle on the beach, and I cannot do it for next 3 weeks, but on the street is okay. On the tumbling and all. On the right is the Total Beach Club, unfortunately closed since March 2020, and during current situation, how does it look like? I really not sure if they will ever open. I'm sorry to say that, but that's not really don't look optimistic. Sand Beach Club, obviously, probably closed. No, I'm pretty sure closed. And here is the big construction on the right again, and the construction over here is the new shopping mall in Sanur, the first mall in Sanur. It's gonna be modern version of Beach Walk. So it will be like Beach Walk, but much more modern, with some water sports activities inside, some birds inside, and like something really fancy, something new. Unfortunately they start construction before current situation and was very active, very busy, and few months after lockdowns first in 2020 everything stopped, and since now not even single truck is going there or any workers working there. So that's also a little bit worried me, as they made closed and postponed the project for many years. I hope so not. I hope so they're gonna keep running soon again. Even some people is happy about mall in Sanur, other people are not happy from having a mall in Sanur, but whatever it is, if they already start, better if they finish, because if they nothing gonna happen in Sanur, they're gonna just abandon this and left over the big piece of land. It's also doesn't looks good, you know. And for local people it's a lot of work spaces, new work opportunities working in the mall for the Sanur area. So definitely local people will be happy if they're gonna open. And here are some bars. Actually I'm not sure how about this bar can function. I mean, bars are usually you go for drinking bintang inside. So if you wanna have a bintang takeaway, you can buy in the shop. But yeah, that's how it look like. And now we are heading into Sindu area. On the left is already Sindu night market, but here on the right is the Sindu beach. I will try to look inside. How does it look like? As you see already the big sign as the beach is closed, but obviously on the street leading to the Sindu area is a lot of businesses, like some hotels, guest houses, and also the restaurants, and some of them they are open for takeaways obviously. So that's how it look like. Some people around, of course, selling nasi jingo, nasi bungkus, nasi campur, stuff like this. And here on the right is the one of the new city hotel. It's actually like a condos style. There is the swimming pool on the rooftop, and on the left is the Shotgun Social, very nice big beer park restaurant. Unfortunately it's closed, or only for takeaway. Obviously you cannot sit inside. Regarding this hotel and condominiums on the right, I used to be inside with Winnie once, many months ago actually. We make a vlog including the social shotgun, so if you are interested you can find this on our channel. That was at the time when everything was still not really good, but was open, you could do it. And here is already the Sindu Beach area and Sindu Beach Hotel and Beach. As you see, Sindu Beach is closed. I make a vlog literally a few days ago. Everything was busy here and was open. Unfortunately right now it's closed. So basically that's how it looked, the situation right here, right now in the Sindu beach in Sanur. A few days ago I make a vlog, was everything normal. Now the beach unfortunately is closed. I hope so you enjoyed today's stroll. How does it look like around Sanur, Tamblingan Lake. Meanwhile, that's it for today's vlog, and see you tomorrow. As always, I will show you something. How does it look like. See ya, take care.